Bump, 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 bump.
They do the same thing every time?
Yeah. What are y'all doing, girls?
What did you do?
I think it's a drain. I think it's where all the water drains out.
Do you all want to go see it?
Where?
Not really. I see it every day. If you guys want to go see it, you can.
You can do one more run, then we gotta go to dinner.
You want to go out?
I'm gonna go. Okay.
Hey, Grace, where were we sitting? Where were we sitting, Grace? Look.
Well, what else did you want to see? Want to go touch the cake on this pole? Want to pick a letter?
Hey, guys.